Welcome to our van life with our three little good girls, episode 80. We are in downtown Banff into Jack Lake and Bow Lake, Alberta. Everything about this area is majestic and we can't wait to come back again and again. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.
Going into Banff, the actual town of Banff. We got a nice little village we're gonna explore. Try to keep Pia away from the root store. We'll see how it goes. This is the city of Banff. Everything from cannabis to tattoos to poutine and lots of yummy smelling food and lots of outdoors equipment. Yeah.
Everyone, we just left downtown Banff. We're on our way to Lake Minnewanka, and if
Jack
not,
Lake.
or to Jack Lake if we cannot get into Lake Minnewanka. And it was really hot in downtown Banff. It was about 80, I would say 88 degrees, and we had the dogs in the stroller. And I had them covered with a blanket, but even then they were uncomfortable. So we went back into the van and got them cooled down with the AC and refreshed. And now we are driving to our next destination. And I think they don't allow vans in Lake Minnewanka. So we'll see what we can do. So stay tuned again.
Just drove by some mountain goats that were running down this hill to Jack Lake. This is the Lake Minnewanka scenic drive, gorgeous. And to Jack Lake is kind of right behind me through those trees. So I'm gonna fly the drone real quick and try to get a shot of both lakes, because Lake Minnewanka is that way and to Jack Lake is right there, and they're connected. So beautiful mountain lakes here, just about 15 minutes away from the main city of Banff. proper parking of Two Jack Lake, there is a trail right here that you can take down to the lake. Just saw some people go down there. A little steep, but some kids just did it. Able to make it up to Bow Lake, which is just about 30 minutes north of Lake Louise, where we're camping. And this is where we're gonna end our day of adventures at Banff National Park. Started at Lake Louise, went down south around Banff, and got to explore a couple more mountain lakes. And then this is probably the highest glacier cut mountain lake we're gonna see today. And you see that big glacier right behind me right here. That is a huge glacier that's coming down, and we're at pretty decent elevation here. So there's a nice, cool, similar teal hue to the lake color here. Not a lot of people swimming or anything. There is looks like a little resort over on the other side, but no boats, no paddle boards or kayaks like many of the other lakes. So this one's a little bit more secluded and very peaceful, other than being right next to the road. So we're really excited that we got to explore this, and we'll be closing up with a couple sirloin steaks and mashed potatoes tonight. That'll be grilling on the Storyteller, and we're just excited to close up our time here in Canada, and we're heading back to the States in the morning, and we'll let you know where we're going, because we don't know quite yet. We're making our way back to California one way or another, but we'll let you know. Signing out, Sean from Van Dover.